Before I knew you, I was told that you were coming, someone to hold. I sat at a diner in Beijing, took stock of what they were ordering. Beers all around, but a voice said to me, "You order that drink, you won't have that baby." They told me you were coming, a little brown-eyed boy, the one who brought the healing, the one who brought the joy. I made my decision then and there, despite the pressure building. I ordered me some water, a future I was shielding. 10 days later, in a KFC, I squatted over a hole, started to beat. Before I knew you, I was told that you were coming, someone to hold. They told me you were coming, a little brown-eyed boy, the one who brought the healing, the one who brought the joy. I asked the man with my hand, curving it over my stomach, and if baby was coming, if that's what the test said. A surprise in bloom, a surprise that I knew. Before I knew you, I was told that you were coming, someone to hold.